In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. If you want to adjust your default apps on this smartphone, all you need to do is go into Play Store and download them first. I want to change my browser to Chrome, so I have to download this one, exit Play Store and go into Settings. From here it's very easy because all you need to do is hit Apps and scroll a tiny bit to access default apps. Now tap on any of those sections you wanna manage, in my case browser app. Tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one. And when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!